Hello everyone! In today's video, I will share to you my version of Chinese style beef ramen noodles. These are all the ingredients. Cook noodles in a boiling salted water until tender for 2 minutes. Drain and rinse thoroughly under cold water at least 30 seconds. Cook beef until brown for 4 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Add cabbage and carrot mix and scallion whites. Cook stirring occasionally until veggies are brown and tender, and beef is cooked for 4 minutes more. Stir in stock concentrate, sweet soy glaze, and 1/4 cup of water. Bring to a simmer. Cook until thickened for 1 minute. Turn off heat. Transfer drained noodles to pan with beef mixture. Toss until thoroughly coated. Season with salt and pepper. In a small microwave sieve bowl, combine garlic, sesame seeds, half the chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oil, and a pinch of salt. Cover tightly with plastic wrap. Microwave until fragrant for 30 seconds. Divide beef ramen noodles between bowls. Drizzle with garlic chili oil and sprinkle with scallion greens. Serve. This is my version of Chinese style beef ramen noodles. Thank you for watching.